student. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I'm Pooja Tripathi and today we are going to learn about noun. So what is noun? A noun is the word that is used to name a person, place, animal or thing. So basically noun is the name of person, place, things or animal. किसी भी person का name, place का name, things or animals का name, that is called noun. Noun are also known as naming words. Noun को हम naming words भी कहते हैं. Like Ram, Geeta, Taj Mahal, tiger, sparrow, table, etc. All these are examples of noun. Because Ram is the name of Ram and Geeta, they are name of person. Taj Mahal is a place, tiger is an animal, sparrow, bird, table is a thing. So all these names are basically noun. Now kinds of noun. Noun कितनी तरह के होते हैं? There are 5 kind of nouns. First is proper noun. So what is proper noun? Proper noun refer to specific name. किसी चीज का specific name. It could be name of people, animal, place or thing. For example, you can see this is a toothpaste and उसका name क्या है? Pepsodent. So that is a proper noun. The girl name Riya, the place name Taj Mahal. So all these are proper noun. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. Next is common noun. Common nouns refer to the general category of the people. किसी चीज general चीज की बात करते हैं तो क्या होता है? common noun. Like it could be any people, any place, any animal or thing. For example, you can see chair, boy, girl. So it could be any boy, any girl. उसका name नहीं है proper. So that is a common noun. Next is collective noun. As the name suggests, the collective noun is the word that name a group of people, animal, thing. जब group की बात करते हैं, it could be a group of people, it could be a group of animal, it could be a group of things. Like team, the group of bird, flock. जहाँ पे बहुत सारे student, that is class. The group of soldiers, that is called army. So all these are collective noun. Next is material noun. So material noun are the word that describe the substance, the material that is used to make the thing. किस चीज को बनाने के लिए जो मटेरियल यूज किया जाता है, दैट इज मटेरियल नाउन. लाइक गोल्ड, आयरन, वुड, प्लास्टिक, ऑल दीज आर मटेरियल नाउन. नाउ बेयर इन माइंड, मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉमन एंड कलेक्टिव नाउन होते हैं, दे आर काउंटेबल, वी कैन काउंट देम. बट मटेरियल जो नाउन होते हैं, दे आर अनकाउंटेबल, वी कैन ओनली मेजर देम. नेक्स्ट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. Abstract noun refer to the words and name something जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते. We cannot see them, we cannot touch them, we cannot taste them, hear or smell them. Like honesty. So honesty means ईमानदार होना. So we cannot see them. We can only feel them. Bravery, laughter, poverty, all these are abstract noun. Now bear in mind, abstract noun represent the name of the quality, action and the state. किसी चीज की quality बताता है हमें या action को बताता है. Nouns are classified as countable noun and uncountable noun. So countable noun, nouns which we can count in any form, whether it is one or more than one, that is called countable noun. जिसको हम count कर सकते हैं, वो क्या होगा? Countable noun. Like table, chair, branches, dollar, all these are countable noun because we can count them. Next is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun जिसको हम count नहीं कर सकते. Nouns which are not countable but can measure are called uncountable noun. Like oxygen, milk, sugar, water. So we can measure them but we cannot count them. So they are uncountable noun. Next is, let's practice. Identify the noun in the given sentence and write them. I like to read a book. So, book is a thing. So, that is a noun. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks using the names of the profession. Choose from the box. So, box में आपको profession given है. You have to choose the correct profession. A person who cut your hair, that is called barber. Clear? Next is sort the given nouns and arrange them according to their category. So यहाँ पे आपको noun given है, you have to arrange them in correct category. Like friend. Friend is a person, so we'll write here. Next is horse. Horse को आप animal में लिखेंगे. इस तरीके से आपको categorize करना according to thing, person, place और animal. Clear? Next is activity time. So what you have to do, you have to paste the picture of the different noun and write their name. आपको अलग अलग नाउन की पिक्चर जो है यहाँ पे पेस्ट करनी है, उनका नेम लिखना है. So here we end the chapter. I hope नाउन का कॉन्सेप्ट आपको क्लियर हो गया है. Now to practice it.